Good morning, everyone. Today is the day for our Harvest of the Month featured recipe, cheesy Italian zucchini, featuring our Texas zucchini. In your curbside meal pickup, you should have received a container that has the following: half a zucchini, 1 serving of mozzarella cheese, and 1 package of marinara sauce. Some additional items you're going to need are a baking sheet, a piece of parchment or some nonstick spray, and an oven preheated to 350 degrees. So now that you have everything, let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is place down half a zucchini. Next, you're going to open up your marinara sauce and place your marinara sauce across the top here. Then you're going to follow that up by sprinkling on your yummy mozzarella cheese. And that's it. You're ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, Texas grown zucchini with a fun Italian twist. Make sure to tune in next week for another featured recipe. And in the meantime, make sure you fuel up your body so that you can fill up your minds.